how to log into Discord account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in to your Discord account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Discord on your device. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll get such interface. So from here, you can register your account if you are new on the Discord, or you can also log in with your user ID and password if you have already created our account on Discord. So right now, we are trying to log in with our Discord account. So for that, you'll have to just tap on the option login. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just provide your email address. Alright, so after you provide the email address, on the another section, you'll have to just provide your password of Discord account. So simply from here, you'll have to just log in with your password. Alright, so after you done this from here, you'll have to just tap on the login option. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully logged into my Discord account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log into your Discord account on your device. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.